Welcome to our video on solid-state devices, focusing on the PN junction in equilibrium. This is part of Module 2, Day 8 of the B.Tech ECE curriculum. We begin with two raw materials, N-type, which has excess free electrons, and P-type, which has excess holes. Both materials are electrically neutral initially. When we join the materials, the junction forms an interface. Electrons on the N side see the empty holes on the P side. This concentration gradient drives the initial action. Electrons cross the border and fall into holes. This process, called recombination, consumes the free carriers. The central area loses its mobile charges. Recombination creates the depletion region, an empty zone. Fixed positive and negative ions are left behind. These ions are unable to move. The fixed ions create an internal electric field pointing from N to P. This field repels further diffusion and acts as an invisible barrier. The electric field causes the P-side energy bands to rise and the N-side energy bands to fall. The Fermi levels align, and electrons face a steep energy hill. The system balances itself when diffusion pushes carriers forward, and electrostatic repulsion pushes them back. At equilibrium, the net current is zero. To break this balance, we apply an external voltage, which is called bias. This bias forces the system to react, fundamentally changing its behavior. Forward bias aids current flow. The external battery opposes the internal field, causing the depletion region to shrink. Electrons can now cross the flattened energy hill. Reverse bias blocks current flow. The external battery aids the internal field, causing the depletion region to expand. The increased barrier stops the majority carriers. Forward bias connects the positive terminal to P, decreasing the barrier width and resistance, allowing current to flow easily. Reverse bias connects the negative terminal to P, increasing the barrier width and resistance, stopping current entirely. The Shockley equation, I equals I underscore S times e to the V underscore dq over nkt minus 1, models the current voltage characteristic. Voltage controls the exponential current flow, defining the physical behavior. The PN junction creates a diode, which acts like a one-way door. Its schematic symbol shows the flow, where the bar blocks the reverse path. In summary, the junction forms a depletion region with an internal field as an energy barrier. Forward bias flattens the barrier, while reverse bias builds it, enabling the diode to rectify alternating current.